Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to compress a PDF file in online and free. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To compress a PDF file in online, first of all go to File Explorer. I am going to compress this PDF file. Now I'm going to check the file size. Right click on the PDF file and click on properties, and look, the PDF file size is 15.6 MB, and I want to compress this PDF and size will be reduced. Now go to Google Chrome browser and in search type compress PDF. Now hit enter. Here you will find some websites and it will reduce the file size, and with same quality I'm going to I love PDF. Click on compress PDF online. Now click on select PDF files. This is my PDF file. Just select it and click on open, and the file is uploaded. And here you will find three compression level: extreme compression, less quality, and high compression. Recommended compression, good quality and good compression, and then less compression, high quality and less compression. And I am going to select recommended compression, good quality and good compression. Select it and then click on compress PDF. Compression is going on and it's saved 59%, and from 15.64 MB it resized now in 6.51 MB. Now click on download, and download is finished. Now I'm going to, this is the file. Right click on the compressed file and click on properties, and look, now the compressed PDF file size is 6.15 MB. This is the easiest way to compress PDF file in online and free. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.